A very good evening to all the students of class 10th, ICSE, CBSE and some HL boards. Today, I'm going to discuss with all of you MCQs, that is choose the correct answers, chapter wise in science. So let us start today with health and diseases. Let me share my slide with you. Dear students, I welcome again all of you. This science class 10 semester board, Tamil Nadu for health and diseases. Let's check out the choose the correct answers from the book back. The chapter is health and disease. I repeat, the first question is, tobacco consumption is known to stimulate secretion of adrenaline. The component causing this could be actually the overuse of tobacco, or if a person is consuming more tobacco, there is secretion of adrenaline. Which component in tobacco stimulates this secretion? We have to find out the correct answers. The options are option A, nicotine, B, tannic acid, C, curcumin, and D, leptin. Let's find out the answer. Nicotine C10H14N2. It is actually produced in the nightshade family of plants. Tobacco, all of us know that, contains large number of chemical substances. One of them is nicotine. It is an alkaloid. Nicotine actually stimulates the adrenal gland to release the adrenaline and noradrenaline into the blood circulation, students, both of which will raise the blood pressure as well as the increases heart rate. So let us see this option. Yes, option A is related to our question. The component which is present in tobacco which stimulates the secretion of adrenaline is nicotine. This answer is absolutely correct. But then also let us see the other options as well. Tannic acid, C76H52O46. It is a specific type of tannin. It is a type of polyphenols. They are found in nut gills. Swelling of trees is caused because of parasitic wasps. This is an antidote to soak up the poisons. In medical field, it is also used to stop bleeding and treatment of rashes. Hence, this answer does not match with our question. Option B is wrong. Option C, curcumin, C21H20O6. They belong to the group of curcuminoids, which phenolic pigments responsible for the yellow color of turmeric. It helps in management of oxidative and inflammatory conditions. This curcumin is extracted from rhizome of turmeric. Hence, this answer is also not related to our question. Answer C is also wrong. Option D is leptin. Let us know that leptin is a hormone predominantly made by adipose cells and enterocytes present in small intestine, which helps to regulate the energy balance by inhibiting hunger for us. This option is also not related to our question. Hence, option D is also wrong. The correct answer is option A, that is nicotine. Now let's go to our second question. World No Tobacco Day is observed on which day in a year? Options are option A, May 31, option B, June 6, option C, April 22, and option D, October 2nd. Let's find out the correct answer, students. The correct answer is option A, May 31, because World No Tobacco Day is observed every year around the world on 31st May. The member states of WHO, that is World Health Organization, created World No Tobacco Day in 1987 and initiated in 1997. The main objective is at least this day for 24 hours, the regular consumption, the person who is consuming more tobacco should stop the consumption of tobacco at least this one day in a year. So the correct option is option A. Now let us move on to our third question. Third question says, the statement is cancer cells are more easily damaged by radiations than normal cells because they are. Option A, different in structure. Option B, non-dividing. Option C, mutated cells. Option D, undergoing rapid divisions. Let's find out the answer here, students. Radiation therapy is the most harmful to fast-growing cells. Radiation prevents cancer cells from growing and dividing, finally leads to cell death. Hence, cancer cells more easily damaged by radiation because they undergo rapid division. Hence, the correct answer for third question is option D, that is undergoing rapid division. Now let's move on to our fourth question. Which type of cancer affects lymph nodes and spleen? Here we have to find out the cancer which is affecting for lymph node and spleen is. Options are option A carcinoma, option B sarcoma, option C leukemia, option D lymphoma. Let's find out the correct answer here also, students. Let us see one by one the options. Carcinoma. It is the most common type of cancer which begins in epithelial tissue of the skin. This tissue that lines the organs such as liver or kidneys. Hence, this answer is not related to us. Why? Because we are searching for an answer where the cancer should affect lymph nodes and spleen. But here in carcinoma, it's affecting organs such as liver and kidney, and the option A is wrong. Let's see option B, sarcoma. It is a broad group of cancers that begin in the bones and in soft connective tissues. Hence, this answer is also not suitable or wrong for this question. Option C, leukemia. It starts in inner part of bone marrow but spreads to lymph nodes, spleen, liver, central nervous system, and even other organs as well. Hence, option C, leukemia, is the correct option for this question. That is, leukemia is the cancer which affects the lymph nodes and spleen. Now, let us see the fourth option as well. Lymphoma, D, lymphoma. It is the body's disease fighting network. It is a defense mechanism. It is a body's disease fighting network. It includes lymph node, spleen, thymus glands, and bone marrow. Hence, the correct option for this question is option C, leukemia. Now, let us go to our fifth question. Excessive consumption of alcohol leads to option A, cirrhosis of liver, option B, state of hallucination, option C, loss of memory, option D, suppression of brain function. Now, let us see the functions one by one. The excessive consumption of alcohol, it leads to option A, cirrhosis of liver. It is, what is the cirrhosis of liver? Alcoholic hepatitis is a condition caused by continuous consumption of alcohol in long term, that is chronic inflammation in our livers. Alcoholic cirrhosis is an advanced stage of alcoholic liver disease which causes liver to stiff and swollen. Hence, this option, that is option A, cirrhosis of liver, is the correct answer for this question. Let us see the option B, state of hallucination. Usually people experience more hallucinations when they are very high on illegal drugs such as amphetamines and cocaines. Sometimes if a person wants to withdraw alcohol and drugs completely, that time he will definitely face hallucinations. But this answer is not the correct answer for this question. Hence, option B is also wrong. Let us see option D, loss of memory. Loss of memory is due to, main thing is injury to brain, such as brain tumor, cancer treatment, like brain radiation, bone marrow transplant, chemotherapy. Hence, this answer is also wrong for this question. Option D, suppression of brain function. Means what? No activity in brain. And this answer is also not related to the question. The correct answer for this question is option A. That is cirrhosis of liver. Hope all of you might have understood this 5 choose the correct answers from the lesson health and diseases. Hope we are continuing with next video with complete choose the correct answers of health and diseases. And we are also coming very soon with the videos of complete book back question answers, choose the correct answers, match the following, fill in the blanks, everything related to class 10 science. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.